Mga kadiwa at mga karabiteng, what is so special about this Starbucks 2021 organizer? They told me this is a limited edition. So let's check. So, mga karabiteng, mga kadiwa, as I told you a while ago, we are going to unbox and review this 2021 Starbucks organizer. So, what is so special about this? As you know, I am an avid fan and a collector of Starbucks organizer. Now, we will know what is so special about this edition. So let's do the unboxing. Yearly po nag-collect ako ng stickers for Starbucks. Sometimes I am really so worried about my meeting. Everyone po kasi ang gusto po nila sa Starbucks ako magpa-meeting. I don't know if they are interested in the business that I am talking to or the Starbucks sticker itself. So, I am guilty. I am one of them. So they have they seal the organizer like this, styrofoam, and oh, this is it. They have the logo in front. Of course, this is a Starbucks logo. Two zippers. This is I think a stainless one. Kind of bit here we go. So let's open. Wow. So it's the same with the previous year. The one that I got is a color green with a green a pouch like this. But this one is different. It looks like a wallet itself. They got several, you're going to put your cards in here. They got 1, 2, 3, 6, 12 cards. And on the other side, oh, another styro. So it's look like a wallet for me. But this one is, I think this is the best one ever. The best Starbucks that I got ever. Because it has a wallet. Double purpose. It has a wallet. You can put your cards in here, and then your organizer notebook in this area, and then sit like that. And it comes with a string where you can hold like this. Corporate ang dating yan. Alright, let's open this notebook, and then we will see what's inside. You want to use the cutter because cutter is much better rather than a scissor. So what we have here is this one. I think this one is for, you can use like that for your special notes. And what is this? Drink today. This is stickers where you can, I don't think that you can use this sticker to this one because it's kind of bit of baduy na already if you're going to put this stickers on your pouch. I call this pouch or big wallet. Whatever. Alright, so this is, we don't have any, I don't think that it has a calendar. It is just a plain notebook like last year. I got mine with a, it's just a notebook. Oh, there you go. But unlike the other one, it is really an organizer because it has each page, it has dates. So this one is really a pure notebook. So you need to collect more sticker in order for you to get another organizer calendar of Starbucks. I think they got two for this year. Last year they got two. One for a notebook and the other one is for organizer with the dates. So this, you got a free coupon at the back where you can get your free beverage. So you got 4, but it depends upon the the dates. This one you can claim this one up to January to March 31, 2021. So here you go. So for me, out of 10, this Starbucks organizer with a pouch is 8 for me. Because I don't like the texture of this. I don't think this is a genuine leather, but I don't know. It's just 8 for me because I just don't like the texture of this pouch.
Meanwhile.
Alright everyone, I'm going to show you my collection since 2019 Starbucks. So there you go. This is it. But I am an avid fan and a collector of Starbucks planner and organizer since 2015, if I am not mistaken. So this is from 2019 and 2020, and this is for 2021. So last year I collected this apple green. This is the kind of pouch they got last year, which I do not like. As you can see, it's never been used. But the notebook itself, as you can see, it's all about numbers. It's all about numbers. Anyway, so this is from 2020 edition of Starbucks organizer. Comes with 2020. This is the planner. So organizer is different from the planner. Organizer is just a plain notebook. And of course, it has different freebies. Same with the 2020 edition freebies. Anyway, so this is the planner, the one that I'm talking about, which has a date. As you can see, it's a fully loaded planner. Gamit na gamit talaga sa akin because I am working in corporate world. So, so it has everyday dates. Like that. So, nung nag-pandemic po, na ubusan na tayo ng isusulat. So, anyway, this is a 2020 Starbucks planner. And this is a 2020 Starbucks organizer. So, this is, you need to collect stickers for this in order for you to get this one and another sticker collection for this kind. So, this is from 2019 Starbucks organizer. As you can see, it has a pouch as well with a big logo in front. This is the logo of Starbucks, and this is I think this is a very good texture of a leather compared to the newest edition of 2021 Starbucks organizer. This is far more better. The texture of a 2019 organizer is far more better than 2021 organizer. para siyang tinipid. Para siyang cartoon lang. Para siyang cartoon lang. Alright. So, but the feature itself, this is more handy and mas maraming maitutulong sa inyo ang 2021 because of the wallet-like edition. Unlike with this, it's just you just can you have to put your pen lang, yan pen lang siya tapos you got three cards. I still got the Starbucks unused. Anyways, pen lang po malalagay nyo dito. Unlike here, wallet na wallet siya talaga. And another space for your notebook organizer. So that's it, folks. So this is the collection of 2019, 2020, and 2021 limited edition or the Starbucks planner and organizer collection. This is my review. Thank you so much.